Did you know that UberX is a shared privilege?
For the
Shared
rider,
rides are a privilege. Shared
for
rides
me,
are a
it
privilege.
is. As a driver, yes. I'm privileged to put freaking 4 people, separate people in my car. Yeah, sure. No. But now it seems like it is for the rider as well, Chris.
Yeah, shared rides are for a privilege. Thank you for your feedback. We heard you and want to make shared rides better and safer for everyone involved. So they heard them, and starting today, we will be restricting UberX Share to riders who have a high enough rating. Question is,
what is it?
The hell does that mean? What does a high enough rating mean to you?
It's like upfront fares.
The goal is to make sure riders are on their best behavior in a shared ride in order to ensure your experience is as smooth and safe as possible. What about in an UberX ride when that passenger attacks the driver or something like that? Oh, we won't match you with that rider again. Okay. And then, 3 weeks later, why do I have that same asshole who ordered the ride as I just drive right past them?
Daniel does have a sense of humor.
What else is there to love about UberX Share? Let me tell you, you earn more in less time. Wait, earn more?
Yeah, you do double work and earn. You do double the work and
more
earn
less
a quarter
time.
more.
Match rides with UberX Share. Reduce the time you spend without a rider.
You know what it is? You earn more in less time. So you do double the amount of work to earn quarter amount of more. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do a quick survey. How many of you are here? Like 300-400? I don't know. Let's do a quick survey. As a driver, I'm sure you're all drivers. As a driver, one for I like UberX Shared, or something like that. I love UberX Shared. And 2
I'll
for
tolerate it and drive it. 2 is
I tolerate it, and 2 for I hate UberX Share as a driver. So let's see it, people. 1s or 2s? 1 I like, 2 I hate. There you go.
Well, I want to know, by definition, what is a low rating?
Oh my God! Somebody put 1.
That's all I want to know.
I want to have you on behind the wheel. I think you're gonna be the only one. What? Oh my God! Look at these 2s. Mech Travels also has 1. Really? You two only love
Share rides.
Share?
Well, you know what? The reality is, I mean, if you were getting a nice juicy bonus back, a few years ago, hey, it was hell worth it.
I loved it.
Now,
I loved it.
Yeah,
I loved it.
Like you said, you're doing double the work for half the pay.
I loved it when it first came out. Everybody hated it 8 years ago with the 3x surge multiplier and 6 drivers in LA, 6 of us. We figured out how to split that shared trip into individual X trips. Uber was losing so much money, and we knew what to do. We had our own little hack. Thank you. And I'm telling you, bro. But then, like everything else, shared trips, garbage. Look, man, it's not worth the headache. I wouldn't do shared trips. I really don't. I just don't get it. But then you know that it's only like 1 passenger at a time still. You know that, right? Because the old days it used to be 2 passengers. And then some people would show up at 3 people. I'm going like, it's 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Exactly right, sir. We hacked that app. We knew exactly what to do, how to split a 4-leg drop off, pick up. I could not have enough UberX Shared trips with a 3x surge multiplier. Seriously.
Oh, the good old days.
Oh, I loved it, but now it's garbage. Yeah.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Well, either way, I like that, but I want the definition. If you are under a specific rating, this high enough rating, this too low of a rating.
Let me make a note of that. Let me ask Uber that. No, seriously, I'm going to ask.
Vague language means absolutely nothing to me. You'll make significantly more. Okay, significantly more than what? You know?
Yeah, no, that part we know is hocus pocus.
Specific number. I want something. What is it? 4.8, 4.6, 3.2?
How is that? It's not making any sense. Like how? I mean, they want more people to take UberX Shared trips. So if you're just kind of cutting the branch you're sitting on by saying you have to have a good rating, otherwise I'm not going to put you in a car. I'm like,
well, it's kind of like it's kind of like it's kind of like that group that's out there. You know, you're part of that group until they turn on you.
Yeah,
it's exactly.
But that's very un-Uber-like, though. That's very un-Uber-like. They want people to take more shared.
They're coming up with these different ideas, and that it sounds good, and then they're like, wait, it chops part of our tree. So hey, let it chop that branch. That's fine. But I want to know, what is the rating cutoff?
I'm going to ask. I'll find out this next week. I'll let you know. I'm going to ask Uber, what is that rating? That the rating threshold that you're holding these UberX Shared customers to a high threshold. What is that rating?
And I'm waiting to see on Reddit because I know it's going to be on there.
Well, I'm going to find out. No, I'm going to find out from Uber.
One passenger is saying, "Oh, I can't access Uber Shared."
No, I will find out by next week. I'll let you guys know. It's probably like 493.
Yeah, okay. I think it's like a 3.1. I think you have to have at least a 3-star rating in order to access Uber Shared.
I don't think there's any 3-star rating.
Put it out there, and that's going to be because I don't think there's that many under 3. But here's the thing: that low enough rating still can get a ride. They just have to order an UberX because it's not really about the driver. It's about trying to mitigate any potential issues between other passengers.
Let's do another quick survey. I like these now. What is your threshold as a driver to decline or accept trips? Mine as a driver for a rider is 460. If you're below 460, you ain't getting in my car unless it's at LAX. Because then every East Coaster that I pick up, wonderfully beautiful people who tip all the time, but New York drivers hammer these people, bro. They hammer them. In Philadelphia, New York, they show up in like 440s, 445s. I'm going like, the guy gets or the lady gets in my car. I go, you're a perfectly nice person. Why is your rating so low? She goes, I don't know. I tip all the time too. New York drivers are horrible. So mine is 460. What is yours?
I'm like Craig. Mine is 4.8. But
wow, that's high.
There is yes, but there is also a stipulation. It also depends on how the night is going. So if it's a little quieter, then I might look at the ride itself and evaluate it at that point. So it really comes down to a number of things. It's not a hard cutoff at 4.8. Like if it's crazy busy or something, and I see a 4.3 come in, I'm like, no, X. And right after that, you get like
$20 surge, 4.3. You're getting in my car, sir, for sure. Yeah, New York drivers are brutal, bro. They just hammer these people.
We know our worth.
Yeah, I should have worn that shirt. Yeah, but so everybody's saying about 4.8. I get it. Mine is 4.6. You know why mine is 4.6? Because in the original days, as a driver, even now, if you drop below 4.6 for a few weeks, they have the right, not the right, but they can deactivate
the rating school.
Yeah, you guys go to rating school, exactly. And they can deactivate it. So that's why I held it the same, like 460 for the driver, 460 for the rider. Mine is 496. It's very rare that a rider gets in my car with a higher rating than me. Very rare these days. I have a lot of 480s these days. I used to be a lot like 480, 490s, 495s. Now it's like, because the more people, I guess, take trips, the more they get hammered.
Yeah.
That's what happens. Yeah. Anyway.
Absolutely.
All right, cool.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.